Okay, also beautiful today on the 14th of August 2023 we have, but here it says this Otis is, it was built 1986, December 14795. And it says TXP on Topeliuksenkatu, Topeliuksenkatu 15 here in Helsinki, Finland. We just filmed this TXA. No, it's not H. But that's the Otis original, but we don't know what the year was. We have to check the TXA serial again then.
Yeah.
I think the rights here, so anyway, so I think it doesn't. But yes, it was Otis originally.
Yeah.
Also had been played in the 60s. The doors here. But it's strange really.
Yeah.
For the A we have to check the seal here again, because here it's the original one, but it's not H, but it's...
Yeah. Or we are not sure if it's original one or not, but... Or it is... If it's still the modernization serial number, but we have to check it.
Yeah. Nobody coming.
Yeah, inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Pääkaupunkiseudun.
I love the smell in here. Beautiful numbers also.
Yeah.
But they're from the 1960s. The smell is great.
Yeah.
It's a 95, so 2021 possession is 95, so the shirt 2009.
That's